Today we are going to discuss about welding safety. What could be the hazards and what precautions to be taken? Hazard number 1. Arc flash causing eye injury. Use welding helmet with proper shade. Hazard number 2. Burns from hot metal and sparks. Wear fire-resistant gloves and clothing. Hazard number 3. Inhalation of welding fumes. Use proper ventilation or respirator. Hazard number 4. Fire due to sparks. Keep flammable materials away. Hazard number 5. Electric shock from welding machine. Ensure proper grounding and insulation.